Over in the oil patch today, a big corporate restructuring announced by the nation's biggest energy pipeline company. Kinder Morgan is consolidating its huge oil and gas pipeline business into a single company. It's a $44 billion transaction, and investors liked what they heard. Shares of Kinder Morgan gushed higher by 9%. Morgan Brennan has more on what's behind this massive change.
Kinder Morgan announcing plans to combine its 4 businesses to become the largest energy infrastructure company in America. Valued at $71 billion, it will be the second biggest energy deal in U.S. history, behind Exxon's $74.5 billion purchase of Mobil in 1999. The consolidation will put Kinder Morgan Energy Partners, Kinder Morgan Management, and El Paso Pipeline under the Kinder Morgan Inc. umbrella, bringing together storage containers, terminal operations, and 80,000 miles of oil and gas pipelines. But to do this, the company is abandoning the master limited partnership structure associated with some of its businesses, putting assets into a single C corporation.
First and foremost, I think the simplification of 4 entities going into one. Also, you had this, a C Corp and 3 basically MLPs. Now you're going to have one entity, and I think it's going to be a great way to play the energy renaissance going forward.
MLPs have become very popular in the energy sector because of their tax advantages and high dividends. But Kinder Morgan founder Richard Kinder, widely considered a pioneer in the MLP space, says his partnerships have gotten too big to make significant investments and maintain growth. He says the C Corporation will actually lower the cost of capital and result in tax savings.
You put all that together, and we think this is a recipe for us being able to do lots of capital projects and lots of potential acquisitions that we simply couldn't do under the old structure.
The move also enables the combined company to increase its dividend to $2 next year and then continue raising it 10% annually through 2020. As for potential acquisitions, analysts note that the company will now be able to acquire all kinds of energy assets, not just infrastructure, which is what the MLPs were limited to. Even so, Kinder Morgan says it plans to continue investing in infrastructure, that there could be 120 energy MLPs that it could potentially target. And with $640 billion in new tanks and storage expected by 2035, that there will be plenty of room to now grow. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Morgan Brennan.